Welcome to XKGlow.
Welcome back to Bronco Adventures, and today we're going to be going over the XKGlow Alpha app with you. These are our brand new rock lights, and we absolutely love how they look and how easy they are to program right from your phone. Check it out. These RGB LED lights with a dedicated white LED chip provide a pure white light. When you first open the XKAlpha app, you'll see 14 preset modes that allow you to choose any color you want, up to 16 million color options. These options include chase, strobe, adjustable from 0 to 100, and a solid on for those dark nights on the trail. Another awesome feature of the XKAlpha app is the chameleon in the bottom right hand corner. Simply click on that and it will color match any color you put in front of your phone camera to your rock lights. In the themes category, you have many options to choose from that are already preset and come on the app, like Christmas, 4th of July, and Halloween. Next, we have Magic Mode, which uses your microphone to pick up either ambient noise or music that you're playing and automatically syncs your rock light to whatever it hears. Another feature of the XKAlpha Rock Lights is the ability to program each individual light or zones to whichever color you prefer. These are completely customizable. Remember to use code BBA5 to save 5% off your next order with XKGlow. Thanks for watching, and as always, remember to get off your couch and go create an adventure. We'll see you next time.
Bronco Adventures.